Hey everyone, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, where we're discussing tech tips that are useful for you in your everyday life and in ways that are easy to understand. Alright, let's get started. In this episode for Tech Tips for Entrepreneurs, we're going to be talking about how to use Google Maps to mark your favorite places like restaurants or places to visit or things of that nature. So the reason that I like to use this is because when I like to go to different places, I like to mark places I either want to go eat at or places I've been to and I want to remember for next time I'm in the area. So you can see here that I have Los Angeles pulled up, and I have a couple places that have some stars around them. And then I have one that has a green flag here. And what do those mean? The stars are called favorited places, and then the green ones are places that I want to go eat at. And these are good recommendations for, like, maybe a friend gave me a recommendation to like, oh, go eat here, and I can mark it on there. And I like using Google Maps better than, say, a text list, because I can actually see where in the area that actual place is, so I can kind of help plan out my day or my time while I'm in that city. So how do I go about making a favorite or I wants to go place? So what you're going to do is you'll find the area. I'm going to click on this one since it's already there, and you can see that it pulled up. This is Frommen's, great place in Santa Monica if you are in the area and looking for a nice home diner to go to. And I can click on this button right here that says saved. If I was to click on this, you can see I can pick favorites, wants to go, or star places, and I can make my own custom lists if I still want to do that as well. So I'm going to click on this Dylan's Deli since it's not saved or has anything, so you can see that in action better. So you can see if it's not a saved place, there's a save button right here. Now as I click that, it will tell me which ones I want to do. And you can see I can click saved, or I can click wants to go. And you can actually do multiple lists as well. But I'm going to make sure that this is just under my wants to go, because you can only do one icon at a time. So you can see now if I get rid of that, it now has a label for the wants to go list right there. And then I can remove this label just like that, and it's going to take it off as well. And so in this tech tip, we're just talking, that is a good way to save your places that you either like to go eat in that area or you want to go eat in that area. All right, that's it for today's tech tip. If you found this useful, let me know in the comments below or have questions. Thanks for joining me for another Tech Tip Tuesday. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. I release a new video every Tuesday. All right, see you in the next one.